always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Severe threat is really winding down for us, and we saw a lot of much needed rain. We have chances of more rain in the 8-day forecast. Let's talk about what to expect as we go through this evening. You can see a couple of rounds of showers and storms, some of them kind of heavy hitters with some decent sized hail. This is now lifting up towards the Saginaw area, pushing over towards Ann Arbor and Detroit. We're going to be seeing West Michigan clear out quite nicely through the rest of the evening. So 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock here, I think everyone returns to partly sunny skies. We'll see temperatures cooling down pretty quickly into the 60s, and it will be blustery. Winds out of the west at 15, occasionally gusting to 30. As for those breezy conditions, we expect winds to gust near 30 for Tuesday and Wednesday. Tuesday will be the coolest day of the week with temperatures near 70 degrees and with gusts near 30 miles per hour like what we're experiencing now. It might feel kind of cool out there tomorrow. Now temps right now in the 60s. We're 60 in Fremont, 60 in Muskegon. Many of us enjoying that rain-cooled air. Overnight tonight will fall into the 50s. And then for the day on Tuesday, it's not going to be completely clear, but it's going to be much drier than what we experienced today. Here's 8 a.m. tomorrow, waking up to mostly sunny conditions. By the afternoon, we expect some clouds to begin filtering in and just an isolated shower chance or two expected through Tuesday. Not a ton of rain. Again, the big thing about tomorrow is that it's going to be a little bit cooler than what we experienced earlier today, and we're going to hold on to those winds gusting near 30. As for Wednesday, we once again stay dry and we see high temperatures roll towards 80. So one of the biggest questions is, okay, well, we have some chances of sunshine. Are we going to be wildfire smoke free? Right now, we have moderate range once again for much of the lower peninsula. But you can see upstream, we've got a stripe of good air quality, and we're hopeful that we'll be able to see at least some good air quality air stream in tonight into the start of Tuesday. Some forecast models are indicating that we might see more smoke filter on in Tuesday and Wednesday at times. However, there are some inconsistencies. Big shout out to our local air quality meteorologists. They've been monitoring this, and they say the smoke Tuesday, Wednesday is not set in stone yet. So I'm hoping that we can clear some of it out and not get more to stream in for the middle of our work week. Regardless, here's where our temperature should land. And again, it's going to be breezy for the middle of the work week. Following that, Thursday, Friday, we anticipate a stalled boundary to set up, and what's interesting about a stalled boundary is it will deliver a ton of rain to some folks and then like none to others. So again, Wednesday will be dry, but Thursday we expect a stripe of rain to set up. Now this could change the exact location, but here's the first initial forecast of where it might land. Into Friday, it meanders over Michigan, and then Friday into Saturday looking like rain likely. We're still going to be watching a bit closely about that system for Thursday, Friday, Saturday in terms of where it's going to be landing position-wise. So we'll just put chance of showers on there now, but stay tuned. That could be a big soaking for much of West Michigan.